I'm going to show you how to play this game. You have to quickly press the right part of your screen or the left part of your screen to rotate the ship, and then you can try to kill the asteroids. This is not very handy with holding my phone and my watch, so I'm going to show you this in another way. This is better. Okay, so let's try to kill all the asteroids by rotating the ship. There we go. This one as well. Let's kill this. Okay. Oh, there is an extra life. Okay, I got this. Okay, now, the asteroids seem to have extra lives, so we have to shoot them twice to kill them. Oh, that didn't work out good. I lost a life. Okay, let's kill this one. Okay, there's another one. Oh, let's try to have this other life. No, okay, then kill this one. Kill the other asteroid. Okay, this is going good. Kill the other one. Okay. Now, this one is nice. This will double the speed of my bullets. Yes, I got that. Okay. No, I lost a life again. Hope to survive. Okay, now kill this one. Then quickly kill. Oh, they are going faster now. Okay. One extra life. I need that. I need that. Oh, I didn't get that. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, damn it. Okay. I lost. As you can see, these are the main instructions of the game, and you already saw the spaceship, the bullets, the targets, which are the asteroids, but there are also some level ups which are very interesting. As you saw, there are extra lives that you can get. This is very handy, of course, to get those. Then there is this circle with the two bullets in it that will double the speed of your bullets. It's very handy, you saw that. And then there is another one that you didn't see, and that is the thing with the 3 bullets. And if you hit that, you get another extra flow of bullets, which is very handy, especially when the asteroids come quicker and quickly. I think that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, or just send me an email via the contact developer form in the Connect IQ store. Please let me know if you like the game. You can always leave a rating in the Connect IQ store. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.